Hello everyone, today we'll take a look at the best electric toothbrush in the market for 2023. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I'll try to help you find the right one for your needs. To see the most up-to-date prices and find out more information about these electric toothbrush, you can check out the links in the description below. Let's get started. Number 1. Oral-B Series 10. The best overall electric toothbrush. The Oral-B Series 10 takes our award for the best electric toothbrush, thanks to its valuable smart tech and real-time feedback that encourages you to improve your brushing technique. This is done with a neat chipset that calculates the position of the brush in your mouth, allowing it to read your technique and nudge you to thoroughly clean each zone of your mouth. We found the brush to be very quiet, much more so than a typical oscillating brush, and felt smooth as you work your way around your mouth. The inbuilt pressure sensor not only warns you if you're pressing too hard, but also if you're not applying enough pressure to get a good clean, helping you achieve an optimum result. The dock itself will connect to Wi-Fi to display the time and date. Once done, the Series 10's bright color display will rate your brushing and show the battery life remaining on the brush. It's a quick way to get feedback on your technique and surprisingly motivating, but for more in-depth guidance you can turn to the Oral-B app, which has heat maps of your mouth to show how thorough your clean was. This is updated in real time. The downside of the Oral-B series is that it's one of the most expensive electric toothbrushes around, though its price has dropped significantly in the months since its release, and you can now pick it up far more cheaply. Additional brush heads are also pricey, if your budget can stand it, though. This is an extremely well-designed electric toothbrush that will have a real impact on how you clean your teeth and will help set you up with better habits that can have a long-term effect on your oral health. Number 2. Colgate Hum Smart Rhythm. The best smart electric toothbrush if you're on a budget. The Colgate Hum Smart Rhythmic Sonic Toothbrush is the cheapest brush on our guide, and a great way to pick up a smart toothbrush for less. It interfaces with the Colgate app on your phone, which can tell when the brush is turned on, and guides you through cleaning the zones of your mouth for a more effective, thorough clean. It's not a true smart brush like the above Oral-B, as it has no sensor to detect mouth position, but it will flash if you put too much pressure on your gums, and has both regular and sensitive modes. For $30 or the equivalent, it's excellent. The brush comes with a travel case and AA batteries. Its biggest downside is the need to replace batteries, along with brush heads, every few months, which isn't particularly eco-friendly nor cost-effective in the long run. However, each replacement will last at least 3 months, as the brush isn't particularly power-hungry. If you're looking to travel frequently and want a spare toothbrush, or you're looking for an affordable way to start smart cleaning, this is the brush for you. Reasons to buy: good design, interfaces with Colgate app, super low price. Reasons to avoid: batteries need replacing, points reward system is deceptive. Number 3. Philips Sonicare 9900 Prestige. The best premium electric toothbrush for frequent travelers. The Philips Sonicare 9900 Prestige is another impressive electric toothbrush designed to improve your technique long-term by monitoring your brushing and giving real-time feedback. If you make too much of a scrubbing action, the app will display an alert advising you to reduce your movements, and the handle will push gently. Press too hard, and the handle will pause, then resume with lower intensity in reaction to your technique. The Sonicare app monitors the brush's position in your mouth, helping ensure you clean every surface thoroughly with on-screen graphics and timers to ensure you don't miss a spot. The app is less kid-friendly than the Oral-B equivalent and won't shower you with emojis and awards for a job well done, but it will give you personalized tips, track your brushing technique, and allow you to monitor it over time. It's a seriously stylish electric toothbrush, too, with a sleek, minimalist design and chic carry case to keep it charged on the go. It's also the quietest electric toothbrush we've tested to date, emitting only a subtle hum. The only downside is that there are no controls for adjusting modes or choosing an intensity setting on the brush itself. Instead, all the customization is done through the mobile app. That's not an issue once you set it to your exact preferences, though, provided you don't like to switch modes on the fly. It's a superb brush. Number 4. ORDO Sonic Plus. Another superb budget electric toothbrush. The ORDO Sonic Plus works on the same principle as Philips Sonicare electric toothbrushes, sending rapid pulses of water between teeth to dislodge sticky plaque. But in our test, we found it delivered a more gentle clean, something helped further by its soft bristles, which help avoid damage to your gums. This isn't a smart toothbrush, there's no Bluetooth connectivity or smartphone app, but it's very impressive for the price. Not only does it have a premium design that's just as smart as a top-end brush from the likes of Oral-B, but during our test, we found it held its charge for weeks, cleaned thoroughly, and could be supplemented by great value subscription packs containing mouthwash concentrate, toothpaste, replacement heads, and dental floss. These packs also include 3 packages of in-your-dental brushes that, combined with the gentle brushing action and small head, make the ORDO Sonic Plus a particularly good choice for anyone with braces. There's no need to worry about damaging wires or brackets. Our only real complaint about the ORDO Sonic Plus is that its charger has a USB connector, but no adapter for a standard shaver socket. There's no pressure sensor either. But aside from that, it's a superb option if you're looking for an entry-level electric toothbrush that doesn't skimp on features or performance. Number 5. Oral-B IO Series 6. More affordable than the IO Series 9, but just as effective. If the Oral-B IO Series 9 is a little beyond your budget, this is an excellent alternative. The Oral-B IO Series 6 is essentially the same as the top-end brush but with a lower price tag, thanks to fewer fancy accessories. The IO Series 6 is the same near-frictionless magnetic motor as the Series 9, resulting in a quiet and effective cleaning action. The toothbrush also has the same intelligent pressure sensor, plus an accelerometer to detect its position as you brush. Install the Oral-B app on your phone, and you can get real-time feedback as you make your way around your mouth. The main difference between the two is the travel case. While the Series 9 has a luxurious case that'll keep your brush charged while you're on the road, the Series 6 has a much more basic plastic holder. The charger is also different. Rather than a stylish magnetic puck, it's a standard charger that holds the brush in place using a prong that fits into a recess in the handle. We found it easy to use and very secure. Even though the case and charger don't look as good as their premium sibling, it's not quite as chic. However, if you want a brilliant toothbrush and aren't a frequent traveler, it's one of the best options around. Reasons to buy: near silent motor, real-time feedback, smart pressure sensor, more affordable than Series 9. Reasons to avoid: very basic travel case,